Dinky Creek right now. My girlfriend right there saved the day. She found a last second camp spot. We were supposed to go to Kings Canyon. I really wanted this guy to check out the waterfall up there, but it's my friend Holdfast. He's always in the comments. If you guys are regular on my channel, you'll always see Holdfast in the comments. So the original person that inspired this left me a comment when I was doing all these trip videos, and he told me that he has a van build with nowhere to go. And I said, yo man, since you're in California, anytime you want to follow me, man. You got a van? That's a cool thing. We all have our vans and just go our separate ways when we hang out for a while. So this is it. So we're gonna do more van meets. Hopefully others could join us. So this is Holdfast's van with the Camburg kit, and he's gonna talk about it. So tell us about your van, man. How did you find this thing?
All right.
That's a good story.
I found this van on Craigslist, pretty much as it looks like from the outside. It was in Huntington Beach for $11,000. It was already lifted, so the guy did all the hard work. It's already got the lift on it and the bumper. It's a 2009 Ford E350 1-ton regular length van. It was a 12 passenger. It's got a 5.4 Triton with 180,000 miles on it now. I bought it with 135. It's got a rebuilt transmission. It's got about 30,000 on the rebuilt transmission.
How much did a rebuild cost you?
He paid for that. He just rebuilt the transmission right when he sold it to me.
Oh,
so
okay.
he has the receipt for 3,000. So I'm stoked on that.
All right, so
And,
yeah, have 3,000 aside. That's what I should have aside, just in
got
case.
a Camburg built bumper and all the Camburg suspension. And I just recently added Fox shocks. And I did add a Fox steering stabilizer underneath.
That's a bent beam kit.
The Fox steering stabilizer I do recommend.
I don't have
Really got rid of my wander on the highway. I could go 85 no problem, hands off
That's
the wheel.
what I need.
And this thing doesn't wander at all anymore with that steering stabilizer. Just a regular length van.
I think it's a better proportion personally. I wanted the extended, but I think the proportions on these are better because when you look at mine, they just tacked on 2 feet to the back almost. So my opinion is this is a better proportion right here. And then when I saw this guy roll up, I was like, man, do I need bigger tires? But that fuel economy, man.
Yeah, these are 285s on 16-inch rim. Highly recommend those tires.
I might go I might
Wow.
go 265s. Why? Because they don't get flat, right?
You inspired me on these. I think
Right
you had
on.
a video on those. I got those. Those are nice to keep the windows cracked. Home built, nothing too exciting in here. It's just a bed platform. Got a lot of storage underneath that I carry, so just got a raised bed platform. Fits
so-
too comfortably.
The whole high bed, but lots of storage under.
This is my table. It folds down.
It's a game with vans, right? Spaces to sit, or do you need more storage?
And then I fold this down. That's usually my table when I'm going to do a little quick cookout.
You got your big kahuna.
Yeah,
I
8
want one of
gallons.
those.
It's wired permanently.
I want one of those. I want some kind of shower.
This is nice to just shampoo your hair and stuff.
Yep, that's on the wish list.
You said they don't make them anymore, huh?
Yeah, but you know who's around? Rinse Kit.
I heard this thing, all it is a dog food container.
A dog food container, but
Yeah.
I admire the ingenuity.
And I added these recently. I got these windows off of eBay, 250 bucks.
Jeez,
There's a
man.
guy that he sells them the whole kit, and he adds brand new weather stripping and everything. He takes them out of vans and then he resells them. So 250 bucks, and it's nice having a little airflow by your head.
Yeah,
That made a huge difference.
and I had this in my last van. I didn't pull them out.
Yeah, and I had
I didn't think about
I wanted
that.
to keep it looking nice, so I cut the trim around and kind of. It was a little project pulling out the old ones, but it was worth it.
Okay, I call this like a medium build. Way better than what I have. Mine stuff is just thrown in, but this kind of gives it like more of an RV look when you put cabinets. It's always really nice to have cabinets. And then he has the swivel seat. I have that. See, when I saw this guy's van, I was like, damn, I need the bigger tires again. and the swivel seat, so you'll work on that. Let's talk about your
So
what's going on here.
the inside of this van is modular, so nothing is permanent. Everything can come out of here. So this is one section that's can come out. This houses my ARB
That's the
refrigerator
that's the
and some
big
storage
boat.
just for my most popular stuff for making coffee. This flips up, and this is how I open.
And you built this?
Yeah, I'm no carpenter. I've never done anything like this before. I just watched some YouTube videos and just had at it. I just bought a bunch of plywood from Home Depot, and
That's a good job, man. I can't even drill straight.
yeah. I might redo everything at some point, but I'm just kind of using it as it is now. But you always want to change stuff around. I have a lot of storage. I carry a lot of gear, so everything goes underneath here in these bins.
There you go, the
I
tall.
have a lot of totes. Everything goes in there. I have a bunch of those. That's how I organize everything.
Like I said, the tall bed, lots of storage deal going here.
I've got my whole solar kit is all Renogy, and so I have a 200 amp hour battery, Renogy charge controller, and a 165 watt panel on the roof.
You got a huge storage battery too, right? 200 amp hour, you said?
It's 200 amp hour. Yeah, it
That's-
was expensive, but I think it's worth it. Yeah.
Like $600-700?
Yeah. No, it was a few $100.
Oh, really?
I could take out this section right here, and I can add a bench seat back here, which I might do because I've been doing a lot of mountain biking. A lot of people have been have been sitting on the bed lately when I'm going on mountain biking, so I could actually still take that out and put the seat here.
You're gonna go the whole bench?
And I think I might be able to fit the ARB between the two seats and then put the bench in here. It's a three seat bench.
Okay. So it's gonna be like this little hallway.
Yep.
Okay. Very nice, man.
What else?
Yeah, anyone who talks to me about vans in the comments, I always look at their channel. And then this guy right here, I'm telling him, where's your YouTube channel at, man? You're the type.
Maybe.
You got to, man.
Peer pressure.
Yeah, hey, watch you blow up, man. You never know. That's how, I didn't say my channel blew up, but I just talked about my van because no one wanted to listen to me talk about it.
Yeah.
So,
I might do it.
yeah, you have to, man. It's really cool.
What else?
So, yeah, I hope some of you guys join us someday.
Yeah,
So-
maybe we'll add one person to the van meet
Hey.
this year.
One a year, or maybe one every 6 months,
Yeah.
whenever we meet up. Because a lot of you guys are in California, man.
That's why this worked for me because it was only a few hours. So Central California is good because it can kind of get everyone from the north, south. It's right here in the middle.
Yeah. So there it is. Like I said in my quick video I made, this is what you do when you can't afford a Quigley Sport Mobile. Same look on a budget. It's got that cool look. And it's a van. You're not going to go rock crawling in a van anyway, but
No, I got a Jeep for that.
there,
I'm gonna get the
exactly.
tracker,
And I'm getting a
so
tracker.
That's where it's at.
We just need to get there and have our spot to sleep. See, same mentality. This guy's got a Jeep. He's going to tow his Jeep behind his van. I want to get a tracker, tow behind my van, go out to the desert. We got real off-road vehicles to explore dunes in, to explore the desert in. I got a spot, and that's my dream right now. I joke around at work. My buddy's watching this. He watches all my videos, and I told him I'm going to be the richest poor guy ever. I'm going to get a mini bike, too.
That's what I was gonna just say.
Yep.
Mini bike on the front. I
Mini
don't
bike
know.
on the front with a tow hitch. I'm gonna get the tow hitch on front, mini bike front, tracker in back, poorest rich guy ever.
Nice.
Right? It's all mentality. How rich do you feel? I like to joke around and say, you know what? My van's not the fanciest, but still nicer than what my mom lived in. So, feel very lucky. Yeah, that's cool. So there you go. We did it. So you guys get out here too. Yeah, I'm thinking about. So these are 285s. Mine are 245s. I might go 265s because I do like looking at the suspension, like the big gap.
Oh yeah.
You could see everything. Like when you look at the.
That's why mine looked like that before. If you look at mine right now, I cleaned everything out and I spray painted it in there, and I really shined it up in there now. 'Cause
Yeah,
everyone
man.
always wants to see the suspension on this thing, and I was like, I wanted it to look nice.
That's true. That's true.
Everyone sticks their head in there, and they're always looking in there to. check the
Yeah,
suspension.
he paint. You know, you got the typical surface rust frame on mine. He cleaned his up, and it's something to be proud of when you look at it too.
Oh,
Yeah. No, I get it. I look at mine all the time. Do you look
You,
back at your van every time you park?
Oh yeah.
There you go.
And I do have the parking OCD that I got from you, where I'll park out in the middle of nowhere in a parking lot that's empty, and then all of a sudden there'll be two cars
Right next to you.
door dinging me.
Yep. Yep.
Can't stand it.
But there you go, guys. Here at our campground. It's cool being out here. So if you're watching my channel and you have any interest in doing this, be a van camper like us. Get into that genre of van life. This is the car enthusiast style of van lifing right here.